Got me a new tripod selfie stick today in the mail. I'm going to take this out to the desert when I'm going to do some filming, and I'm going to check it out. Nice, huh? By KraftGeek, huh? Compact. Open it up just like an umbrella. Boing! Just like that. That's all there is to it. Close it on up. Got a remote control. A Bluetooth. I'll get the Bluetooth paired to my phone. I'm going to take this out to the desert. I'm going to be doing me a little bit of filming. So, hey, let's go check this out. Come on out to the desert with me and let's check out this awesome tripod selfie stick. This thing is big, too, man. I like this. I like the feel of it. That's how I do all my filming, just off my phone right there. Also makes a great selfie stick. As I'm filming, walking around. Remote controlled right here, Bluetooth, so I can start and stop it. Right there. I like it. And this thing will extend out. I mean, look at the range that this thing has. It'll go way up there. So it makes me look like I'm flying a drone or something looking down at me. Yeah. Hello, way up there. I can turn this around. It's a drone flying over me. Wow. Phew. It's just slides right back together. Bring it on down. Now, you know what else this will do? Let me show you this here. You can, if you're filming in landscape mode, or you can go to portrait mode. You can tilt it frontwards and backwards. Has full motion. All remote control. And to start it, you just basically hit the bottom, boom, just like an umbrella, it just pops open. Set it down a little small right there. Set that on your desk or something. Take the remote control right out. You can have the remote control in your hand. And then just, nobody will ever know what you're filming. Just start it what you want. Bump. Start your camera, stop it. Right there, it just goes back in. This just slides right back up like this here. Perfect handle. It's backpackable. It all just goes right back together just like that. Stick that into your backpack. You get up in the mountains or whatever you're doing, vlogging, on the beach, running. All self-contained. KraftGeek right there. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So I've got a few of these different types, but I'll tell you what, I kind of like this one the best. KraftGeek. I'll leave a link down below, so if you guys want to go check them out or something like that, you can go do that there. But yeah, it's cool. Cool selfie stick tripod, all in one. Yee-hoo.